Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make song playlist on YouTube. Creating a playlist on YouTube helps you organize your favorite songs in one place for easy listening. It allows you to play music continuously without searching for each track. You can quickly create and manage playlists directly from your browser on Windows. To begin, open your browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your PC. Go to YouTube. Visit the youtube.com website. Sign into your account. Click Sign In and log in with your Google account. Search for a song. Use the search bar to find the song you want. Open the video. Click on the song to play it. Click Save. Below the video, click the Save button. Create a new playlist. Select Create New Playlist. Name your playlist. Enter a title for your playlist. Set privacy settings. Choose public, unlisted, or private. Click Create. Confirm to create your playlist. Add more songs. Search for other songs and click Save again. Select your playlist. Tick the playlist you created to add songs. As you can see, the new song has been added to your playlist. View your playlist. Click Library, then open your playlist. Edit or rearrange songs. Drag songs to reorder or remove unwanted tracks. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.